In front of me is TECNO Spark 20C, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on All Services. Select Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, select this gear at the top right corner. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on, log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your first password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then enter all of those informations. At the top, you can type in any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number. Password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!